Hello, my name is George. I am a chemistry graduate student at Colorado School of Mines, working with the Mines Writing Center to provide educational resources. Today, we will explore how to write clear and effective instructions for experimental design. Whether you're a laboratory instructor or research scientist, your procedures must ensure accuracy and reproducibility. In this tutorial, I'll use a titration procedure as an example. First, let's distinguish between procedure and methods. A procedure is a series of detailed steps for conducting a specific task. Methods, on the other hand, describe repeatable decisions and actions for achieving a specific objective under certain circumstances. For this guide, we'll focus on procedures for zinc titration. Before starting a new experiment, always prioritize safety and proper waste disposal. Review the safety data sheet of the chemicals and read local guidelines about waste disposal. For lab safety, 1. Wear lab goggles, gloves, and lab coats. 2. Handle chemicals like EDTA with caution as it may cause skin irritation. Now for waste disposal, use designated waste buckets. Test the pH of liquid waste and neutralize them as needed. Next, create a detailed materials list before beginning the procedure. For example, for a titration, you're going to need some glassware. So you will need a 50 ml beaker, you need a burette, and a 250 ml Erlenmeyer flask. Number 2, your solutions. You need a zinc chloride solution for this titration, an EDTA solution, and an indicator solution. Number 3, your instruments. You're going to need a stir plate, burette clamps, and volumetric pipettes. Now, having a materials list ensures that all necessary items are accounted for and ready to use. Now let's outline the procedure. Each step should be logical, chronological, and written with specific active verbs like add, measure, and record. For example, step 1, burette setup. Clamp the burette to stand and rinse it with distilled water. 2, acclimate the burette by rinsing it 3 times with EDTA solution. 3, fill the burette to the 0 mark with EDTA. Step 2, analyte preparation. Measure 15 ml of zinc chloride solution into the Erlenmeyer flask. Add a few drops of potassium phosphate buffer to maintain pH. Add 3 to 5 drops of Erythrone black tea indicator solution. Step 3, titration. Place the flask on the stir plate, add the stir rod, and begin stirring. Open the burette valve slightly to start titration. Stop adding EDTA when the solution turns blue and the color persists for 30 seconds. Repeat the titration at least twice more for accuracy. A few pointers here. When writing procedures, avoid unnecessary explanations and unrelated details. Include critical notes on potential errors and how to avoid them. Provide equations when needed, such as the equation for calculating the concentration of zinc in this titration. By following these steps, you can craft precise and reliable experimental procedures that are easy to follow. Thanks for tuning in and good luck designing your next experiment.